Welcome to this webcast brought to you by Automation Services, the USA provider of Caseware IDEA data analysis solutions. One of our business goals is to help all of our clients get the most out of their investment in their IDEA software. With the release of IDEA version 9, the Caseware Utility Smart Analyzer Financial is fully integrated into the IDEA data analysis application. Users of IDEA version 9 can try out Smart Analyzer by using the 5 financial tests that are included in the base application for no cost. However, many users opt to subscribe to the full version of Smart Analyzer to take advantage of all 58 financial tests available in this powerful addition to their IDEA software solution. This provides a smooth and seamless way to access the 58 financial tests contained in Smart Analyzer and have the results displayed in your current IDEA project in a consistent manner. The 58 tests are distributed among 5 categories: General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Fixed Asset, and Inventory. I'm going to demonstrate how Smart Analyzer works today by doing a General Ledger analysis, looking for out-of-balance journal entries. The tests in each of the 5 categories are prepared and performed in exactly the same manner. With IDEA open on your PC, select the tab labeled Smart Analyzer on the main ribbon. Smart Analyzer now includes a data request feature that will help you identify all of the data needed to perform the tests in each functional area. Click the Data Request button on the ribbon. In the Data Request dialog, choose the type of request to be generated. I'm choosing General Ledger. Smart Analyzer defaults to a generic data request document type and click OK. 2 documents will be generated. First, a data request document that details the data columns required and the type of data each column should be when extracted from the client's database. If I scroll down just a bit, the second document is a data return document that gives detailed information on how to proceed with the test after you receive the data back from your client. Simply email the first document, the data request, to your client as a roadmap for extracting the proper data for analysis from their databases. You can close the data request dialog at this time. After sending a General Ledger request document to my client, I received a journal entry file with all required columns and imported the data into IDEA using the Import Assistant and standard import methods provided in IDEA. Next, choose Select and Run button from the ribbon. When the dialog window opens, choose General Ledger in the Audit Test Navigator pane. This will narrow down the list of tests to only those in the General Ledger module. The first step in analyzing your data using Smart Analyzer is to map the data in your data file, column by column, with those required by Smart Analyzer. Since column names could vary from system to system, we're required to identify each column in your imported data with the name expected by Smart Analyzer. The process is called tagging. By tagging your files, you allow Smart Analyzer to know exactly what your columns are called and the purpose of each specific column. At this time, I can choose individual tests and tag only the columns required to run a specific test. Or I can choose to tag all columns in the General Ledger category and prepare all tests. To see a list of all GL columns, click the Define button on the main ribbon. In the Define Tags dialog, I can prepare all General Ledger tests by tagging all columns available. This is a good time to have that data request document that you sent to your client handy. For each column, click the Field to Assign box and select the column in your dataset that matches the required data. After you've tagged all needed columns, choose the Save Tag File button on the menu to save the tag file definition. The next time you're tasked with doing General Ledger analysis, you can select the Open Tag File button and automatically tag all columns in one step. A big time saver. To connect Smart Analyzer to your tagged journal entry data, click the green check mark at the upper left on the menu bar. Smart Analyzer now knows how to work with your client's specific data. The tagged column indicates yes for each test where all needed columns are defined. The input column indicates optional, not required, and required based on parameters needed to run a test. Click on the link and complete the dialog as needed. The status column indicates that a test is ready to run by displaying a small blue triangle. If more input is required, a red square is displayed. You can run individual tests immediately by clicking on its blue status triangle, or select multiple tests with a ready status in the Audit Test dialog by checking the box next to the name of the test. I'm going to select Out of Balance Journal Entries. Select the Run button on the menu to have Smart Analyzer execute all selected tests. The status indicator displays a green check mark indicating successful completion of your tests. At this time, simply close the Audit Test dialog box. A result file will be created in your File Explorer window prefixed with an @ symbol. Double-click the file to see the results of your test. After viewing the results of your tests provided by Smart Analyzer, click the Results and Reporting button on the main menu. A list of the tests that you ran will be displayed. By selecting the test you're interested in, Smart Analyzer will create a simple audit report that can be sent to your client, saved in your project file, or imported into your Working Papers application to document your work. Choose a file that you are interested in and click the Create button to have Smart Analyzer generate the report. Smart Analyzer was created to help save time as well as make financial analysis more efficient and consistent. If you have any questions regarding how to use IDEA or Smart Analyzer, please take advantage of our 20-minute rule by calling the Automation Services Help Desk team at 888-641-2800 and choosing option 4. Thank you, and make it a great day.